Today we will learn how to multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. So let me show you an example. Multiply 232 by 3. Multiply 232 by 3. I will show you in two methods. One by using the expanded form of the multiplicand, and the other method I will show you multiplication using short method. So first let me show you the first method, that is using the expanded form of the multiplicand. So 232 times 3, we will expand 232 first. So 200 plus 30 plus 2 times 3. Now 200 times 3. We just opened the brackets. Plus will come down. 30 times 3. Plus, this plus came over here. 2 times 3. Now see, 3 2s are 6. 2 zeros will come down. 3 3s are 9. 9 and the 0 will come down. Plus 2 3s are 6. Now we will add 690 plus 6. So 696 is our answer. Now I will show you how to multiply 232 by 3 using the short method. 232 times 3. HTO. First, we will multiply the ones place by 3. So, in ones place, 2 times 3 is 6. Now, the tens place we see 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 2 times 3 is 6. So, in 100 place, we see 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. When we multiply 232 by 3 using the short method, we get the answer 696. This is how we multiply 3-digit by 1-digit number using the expanded form of the multiplicand and the multiplication using the short method. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.